And welcome everyone, namaste sir. I do welcome you everyone to this this live analysis trading day on Monday 29th of March 2021. Fantastic to have you here today. I do deeply appreciate you being here so we together, everyone, can have a sense of calmness. Have a great day. So is this earlier than you normally have? Because we changed time yesterday, and I don't know if this is too early. This is 1930 for me, 33 now, but still the same thing. So I hope that you guys are happy, that you're great, everyone. So yeah, how was your trading day? How did it go? Like, is that something that you're looking into today? How is your trade going? Where do you think gold is going? All right, Kasi. I see where you're going. I see you. Is it higher? Is it lower? Is it sideways? Is it, what is it? Okay. That's funny. Mario, what's up? I commented about your analysis, Abbas. Generally speaking, I think. Like, I commented around it, generally speaking. But yeah. Generally. Yeah, I've seen the Discord, and I have commented about it, and you really need to tell me if I haven't, but I have. Alright. So if the music is too loud, just tell me and I will change it. But anyways, welcome everyone. My name is MDL. I'm a Forex trader. I'm here to help you becoming a better Forex trader. Everything said in this this live is only for education purposes, not financial advice, only my personal opinion. So, okay, let's go. Boom. Okay. The other thing, I do deeply appreciate everyone who's here today, all 7 or 8 of you. I do hope we will grow. So that depends on me, giving you quality content, but also means that you need to give me quality content, meaning quality conversations through not quality comments, but yeah, engaging. That's what I want to say. Oh, there's a lot of text to even able to see. Yeah, we'll go through that one by one. Currently for pound and yen, I don't like the setup. What the market is currently giving us, because this sets up for a solid for the next week. But I don't know. Well, it sets up like a massive what if we do that instead, and that's totally perfect and totally normal. So yeah, there's a lot of today because of that. Where do we start? DXY maybe? So DXY Dixie Pixie made a new high today. Does that worry me? Does that worry you? Should it worry? Should it not worry? It does worry me to the fact that we don't make a lower low. That is what I want to see. So when we don't have a lower low, and it is making higher high, that does worry me. The question is, was that to grab sellers, or was that just to, actually show that we have bullish momentum? That does. Yo, Lieutenant Gaming. 150. Yeah, I will go to pound yen very soon. So I just want to get this one going, I would say, where you have Is it hip hop that we're just supposed to normally listen to? But dark, I'm dark. Let's see. We just have to take up the. Okay, so I don't like that. Fair and square, I don't like that. The other question is, are we gonna go lower? I don't know. So I saw in some of my, I'm not gonna go take credit for that. I didn't see it first. I'm not gonna take credit for it. So if you go to dailyfx.com, daily, that was not dailyfx apparently, dailyfx.com, and you go to their news, real-time news, whatever thing, and this is important, okay? Because what does this mean? What does that mean to you? Does that mean that there is going to be dollar bearishness or dollar bullishness, do you think? This is early signs of something. So I'm wondering what it is. Is it dollar bullishness or dollar bearishness? Hi, gambler. I'm not drinking any milk now. I think DXY is forming its third shoulder in the daily candle, maybe. Okay. But there you are. So what this means, this infrastructure plan outline on Wednesday, means an increased taxation, probably. So what does that mean to you? That means dollar bullishness, and it's pretty hard dollar bullishness. So that is when there comes out there is going to be some taxation rules or increased taxes. Dollar's going to get strong. It's going to be hard hit. So that really, really, really worries me. Okay, be prepared for that. I'm probably gonna mess around with this for some time because this is so fundamental changes to the current structure, what we're currently doing. There's nothing we can do about it. It's not planned, but now we have an early warning that there might be dollar bullishness all of a sudden, maybe on Wednesday. Okay. Great. Then we all agree. Then we would look into, I think that's the only news I think of currently as of today that is important. The other thing is that the Suez Canal boat is out. Ever Stuck is now become Ever Given again. And Ever Given is now out of the waters. It is now away, and the current trade for the world is resuming. The thing is, the other thing for dollar is that not necessarily being mentioned so much is the tension between US and China is back actually, but it's basically being priced in Australia instead. So yeah, how's it going, Herman? Very great. And then we need to clean some houses, but soon I will join. Yeah. So if we can get dollar bearishness up until then, that will be great. So currently today in the strength chart, that people are actually stronger than dollar today. Dollar is strong, but New Zealand is stronger than dollar. Aussie is stronger than dollar. That is great. And euro is absolutely crapping their pants. But yeah, it's sort of going as I've planned out. Thank you for that. Boom. Fantastic. I love when things goes to plan. Isn't that great? Because I was the captain told you. Said I'll put up this. Okay, do that. So I gave the chart out for the mentorship students earlier today on Aussie. And I said, this is the price you should have bought, and I hope you're in on those. Of course, I didn't do all of that. I did that one, and should have bought in this area as well. I don't know why we didn't that, but that's the thing. So gold. I forgot. Back to the trading. What was the prices I told you guys yesterday to take? Did I say 1703? I did so. And that gave it current support. Boom. Fantastic. Great. That is how you trade oil today. Do you want to trade oil there? Maybe not. But, you know, it is price action still reacting to what you wanted to do. Still. But yeah, you should be in profit by now. By $5 becomes what you do now. Now you should be break even on your trade of gold. If you bought it at around here. If you didn't, well, then it was too late for you, bro. Then you have to wait for it to come back above 1745, which is actually where I want to go. So, currently, that was the buy price. And then we'll wait for the rest. That is what you want. So yeah, great, fantastic. Other technical analysis indicators we want to use? Should we use RSI maybe to check how this is going? Is this overbought? Is it oversold? Let's. Okay, I can't do that. Okay, so take that away maybe. That was a failure. Fail. Oh, it's overbought. It's oversold, so we should buy it. Great. Fantastic. Is gold going to keep falling because dollar bullishness is coming in? I wouldn't say dollar bullishness is coming in, but I would say dollar bullishness is there. Technical is still bearish. Technical is still supposed to fall, yes, but that doesn't stop us from having plans, bro. So our bullish plan is still up. Coffee. There we go. Then I would also hold on to US oil and say, hey, we're going higher. Today we had a large fall. What was that for? Well, that was into the buy zone for this week. All right. Everything is normal. Everything is how it's supposed to do. That's the true price you want to buy. Well, congratulations. You're now in profit. You have a question about DXY. Okay. Shoot. Take cover. Take cover. So, yes, Haman, you can still sell gold as much as you want. There's no problem with that. The only question is it going to continue? Hello, Babu. Bro, check your Discord. What do you think? Okay. Pound dollar. I don't like the price you want us to go from, but okay. But yeah, technically, yeah, we're supposed to go higher. The reason for the fall, total. Yeah, it's a great selling point, and probably people will take the sell point. But I will go to that soon, okay? So be patient. Yes. Okay. Gambler wants us to go to weekly, okay? Then what? Tell me. I am out. I don't know what else do you need to see, bro? How out do you want to be? This is 2013. That is totally irrelevant for right now. On weekly, you can't go far out, bro. This is what is relevant for you at the moment. Nah, I wouldn't say so, though. I wouldn't say so. I would say that is a bullish trend, that is a bearish trend, and this is a range. This is a trend, this is a trend, and this is support. This is resistance. And if you're fully supposed to be a shoulder, why doesn't this provider be down here then? Where's the head? If that was the head, that's the shoulder, then that should be the shoulder. So we are kind of there. Is 102 coming? No, I wouldn't say so, not yet. But if we break above 95, yeah, we would probably, I will probably screw by then. But currently, no, not really. So currently, this is resistance. Okay, that is resistance. This is trying to go higher. Are we gonna hold? Are we gonna break? We don't know. That's up to the market to decide. If it continues and breaks above 93, we're going to 94.50, give or take. If we then break above this level again, we're going to 96. So we'll just take it as it comes, but this is of course a huge selling point at 96. But if you are a seller, that's kind of, well, as much as you go higher, you know, this is great. But there is a couple of things you need to do. That is the sell point number 1. This is the sell point number 2. And after here, you are done. You don't do anything more. This is no longer sellable until it comes up here. Chief! Great. So I'm looking for reversal. I'm not getting it at the moment. So yes, you can be bullish on dollar. Great. Have a fantastic day. Do it. I won't stop you. Be happy with that. But for the love of COT, don't short Japanese pairs versus Japanese. You will get spiked, especially for USD yen. Okay. So today, US Treasury is back up on the train higher. I hate that. Let's take Euro for example then. Is this a good sell? Yeah, probably. But not on the weekly, maybe on a daily. So if you were a seller this week, you'll be looking into 1800, 1850. That's where you would sell. But if you're a seller, you want to take profit at 1750, as I've seen that they want to do. I don't know if that is going to be the hard bottom, but if that is the hard bottom, then I don't want to sell here. That is not a sell setup, by the way. And this sell trend, this bearish trend, is very weird because it goes from a range to a range. So to me, it doesn't seem like sellers has a lot of confidence. It's more like just bears taking bulls taking profit, and then one day they're going to ram this thing up. Is it time for our position to rocket? Yeah, it is. Yeah, 1835 to 1875. Well, what's the difference between that and what I said? I said 1850, 1834. That's the same thing as you. There's nothing. There's the same thing as you said. So I don't want to sell at 1800. I would rather sell at your price that you said. So there's no there. So you say from 16, 90. Well, that's a target. Target for the week. So that means that we're going to have another fall before rising again. Okay, great. I don't care. That's not up to me. Because for me, I'm just looking for the bullish setup. And I'm not getting it at the moment, so I don't lose anything. I'm not down anything on euro dollar. There is nothing to buy here. As a seller, yes, you're gaining and gaining and gaining and gaining. Great. You have been selling for quite some time now. Okay, great. But for me, if it falls to 1700, 1600, this is just another opportunity to take it higher. The question then becomes, why don't you sell it? Well, I don't sell it because I don't need to. I think this is going to go higher. I'm waiting for this to go higher. Then I will rather take other opportunities that is actually going higher right now. And we have Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar showed me that it wants to reverse and probably has a better opportunity to go higher. So we have a buy here at around 76 something. I can't remember the actual price, but around in this area here. Okay. Then we take it higher, and then we take it higher, and then we take it higher, and then we take it higher. The question becomes, where's the sell price? The first sell price today was at 76.50. Do we then break below 76.20? I wouldn't say this is bullish anymore. Then I will take my profit and I will go somewhere else. But we're coming into April in a couple of days. It is 2 days from now. Okay. Where do you think we're gonna be? Let's see. 76? Whoa. I can't even draw today. 76? That's a buy price for the month. Do you think that is important for next month for buyers? Do you think they will hit that before we go, or do you think it's actually been there already? Just a bit early. Just asking. Just asking for a friend. Why is the dollar strengthening so much? My only answer to that question is that they are pricing in that we're going to be too much inflation. So earlier we were pricing in too little inflation, now we're pricing in too much inflation. Like America's doing well, it's going to be overheating, it's going to be crazy, we're going to crash, we're going to die. That's what I'm doing right now. Well, it's justified, but I don't know if it's justified with so much that they've done already. So for me, as a dollar bear, only thing you can wait for But why don't you then take the bearish side of it, no, the bullish side of the dollar, and just take it up as much as, because it's still rising, so you take it. Because that's how you lose money. Going against your plans, going against your conviction is how you lose money. If you sit there and all the evidence that you have on your plate says that you should go higher, but the market goes lower, but you're supposed to follow what the market, but then when the market actually agrees with you, what do you do then? Then you look like a fool because you went against your own bias. You changed your plans because you couldn't wait. You couldn't wait for the price to come to you, the market to come to you. The other question is for pound dollar today. What is happening? What is going on? Why is pound dollar falling? Well, it currently went to the sell price for this week, and we haven't reached the buy price yet. So I'm still not in pound, and I'm still waiting for 37.30. And it seems like I'm going to get it this week. Because the most stupid thing you can do, well, that's probably too hard. The most stupid thing you can do is to throw away all those losses with random trading and just following the market, whatever, or just running after the market instead of being ahead of the market, and then you lose anyways. At least lose with a plan so you can learn from your mistakes and do better next time instead of running after the market and never learning from the market because you didn't have a plan. So there's nothing to learn from. Okay? As a trader of so many years, that's just something you have to look for. You just have to do that, okay? So, yeah. The other thing is right now, we are coming into rise and fall. What do you think is going to happen next? I think this is going to happen next. But this is a legitimate sell price, by the way, people. As a legitimate sell, so I'm scared of that. But as a buyer, I can't care. Pound yen, kind of the same thing. It has a legitimate sell price today. Around here, around 150, 180. But the buy price for today was 1560. So which one did you take? Have you done your job? Did somebody sell pound yen yesterday or something in the live or something? Not in the live, but they had already sold pound yen. I really hope you don't lose money because I said it wasn't bearish. So what's changed? That's the monthly sell price. Now we're coming lower. We still haven't turned around. But if you now get price action, double bottom, higher high, higher low, and then you get a new low here, and then you come in here, yeah, that's the sell price. That's the sell setup. You have the sell price, you have the confirmation that there is sellers in this market. Now we just need to wait for it to return. Stupids. Okay? So how do you then trade pound yen? How do you then do profitable trading with it? You wait for your market setups. You don't trade whatever you see. Okay? This was a sell setup last week. Did we take it? I can't remember. We take it. I can't remember. Did I take it? I think I told you guys to sell it. Then it went down to take profit. Done. Okay. This week then. Oops, that was daily. This week then. We haven't got the price yet. So, great. Who go GJ Forum investing as the Rat Slayer go investing? Yeah, okay. Thank you, Ahmad. Abbas. So just wait. Patience, 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 patience. This is the area. If you don't get it, do not care. New Zealand. Did it, Mr. Plus? No. No, you didn't hit Mr. Plus, did you? I'm still in it. Oh. No. Yeah, I'm still in it. Okay. Whew. Jesus. I thought that was the price I was having. No, so I was looking. I thought it was 4 hour. I thought that was the price that had a stop loss up, but it wasn't. Anyways, New Zealand dollar. As much as boring as it is turning around. So this is your price to buy. You have got, I don't know how many hours you have got to catch that one. And if you haven't taken it, I don't and I can't help you out. For 3 days it's been around that price. So yeah. 3 days it's been around that price. So we're gonna go higher then. Okay? So whatever you're stuck with in here, I think you're gonna go higher. So when do you want to be out? I don't know. Depends on what you think is best for your trading account, but a break below 69.80. Okay, great. I saw a news on investing.com that Fed isn't going to reduce interest rates anytime soon. Gambler, let us take okay, so first of all, people, let's have a lesson here. Okay, let's go for a lesson. I've done that. Let us go to the real club. Okay, how the real club trades. I've given you guys this one before, not the one. This one. Okay. Come on then, bros. Give me some love. This is the actual contracts traded in the market between banks and their expectations for the future. This is market. 28th of April, 99.4 is expecting the same rate. Okay? If you look into September 2021, 95% is thinking the current rate and 4% is one rate hike. In 15th of December, the market 15th of December 2021, the market thinks 95% of current rate. The market is expecting either current rate or a bit higher. Okay? Now, it was 91% 1 day ago and now it's 95%. It was 8% a day ago for a rate hike, but now it's down to 4%. Okay? What does that mean? That is a market trading real contracts. Okay? The other thing is, what has the Fed said? What did the fuck say? First, remember, there you go. That was my little musical thing here. Is that Fed said they're not going to go negative, which is the next thing. They can't go higher. No, they can't go lower because they have said so. Now, when they're going to go higher, they've actually said when you have a prolonged inflation above 2% for a 12-month period, above 2%, and where are we right now? Well, let's go and check out then. Interest rates, USA. Not interest rates, core CPI, USA. Core CPI, and we're going to go into trade economics. Nope, core CPI index-ish. That is the price, core consumer price, then inflation rate. We are currently at 1.3, and we're actually falling. So inflation so far is not above 2%, which is up here. And the current trend in the market is currently down. And it is expected to be up at 2% around 2024. 2023, 2024, depending. So we are nowhere near anything at all. Okay? So it is not a news, and the news that they're not going to reduce interest rates, it is, I think it's 9 months old now. So if somebody tells you that, oh, is the Fed going to lower interest rates? Bro, take a chill pill. Take a cognac, take a whiskey, sit down with your wife, and be philosophic about what she's saying, and you're like, yeah, maybe. Because Fed doesn't change overnight, over day, one day, oh, we're going to change, then we're going to change. No. If nothing changes in the market rapidly, very fast, crazy, crashing, something, we're going to be stable. We're going to do the same thing every day. The interest rates is the most stable indicator. The consumer price is one of the most stable indicators for economic performance. It doesn't move a lot. Okay? You can see here, unless it is COVID. I agree with you. But generally speaking, we are not, we are actually falling, so we're not doing great. Okay? There you are. Welcome. Now we'll go back to trading. So interest rates down. Never. Interest rates up. 2023, 2024. Thank you. They will reverse and just give the time to be a sniper. His HP Deutsche CT Commerce Saxo said it in Discord. Yeah, it's in Discord. You just be patient. Then want to TP, then reverse Y ask COT. Yeah, true. Yeah. Anything else on that notion? What was your USD CAD move this week? Well, you probably should have sold here. That was for the week. For the month, you haven't got your price yet, but it's around here, around 26.40. So yeah, great. Have a great day. Fantastic. I don't like USD CAD though, but yeah, be fine with that. Fun. And we still haven't got the lower low yet, so there shouldn't be any sells on this one yet. But yeah, you can sell the weekly. Great, fantastic. If it felt like that was a good deal. But we haven't broken below here or here, so meh, don't worry. Do not worry about a thing. That is how easy trading analysis could be. Question becomes, is it bearish? Yes or no? Question mark. Move on. But we do expect this one to fall. We do expect CAD strength. So if we go to US oil, which also has strength, Canadian, way, look at that. It's going higher, US oil. It's not, well, if you bought here, okay, that's up to you. I'm not forcing you to do anything, but there is an important information this week is the OPEC meeting this week. Okay, there's an OPEC meeting. Does that make any changes to your trading? Yeah, it should. It should. What is that all about? New. Weak demand. That is 26 hours on Friday. So we're closing a busy week and treasury ahead of 2:37 minutes. Although the market seems to have come unscattered, we believe the yields may be stabilizing before a deeper sell-off in treasuries. Ooh, sell-off. That's maybe that's good for us. So we are still thinking on USD CAD down to 120 maybe ish, depending. 122-ish, 123. Ish. So, whoever is new here today, I don't know, is there anyone that is interested in a $5 monthly subscription on my YouTube membership? The absolute lowest low, just $5. Just become a member, just become part of the cool clan. I don't think you will get the fundamental analysis though, because $5 a month for fundamental analysis, that is not worth my time though. Unless you guys become 100 people, which you're not. You're just 15 right now. So yeah. I'm just thinking what kind of value should I bring to $5 a month people? That's interesting. Me being alive. It's not all about the money, but it is for you guys that have requested for how can we support your channel. I don't know. That is what you guys wanted. I'm only there to give you the answers. I haven't done that yet. Give it a $5 monthly subscription. So it depends if you want it. If you don't want it, nobody's going to give it to you. Nobody's going to give it to you. So Eurodollar, just waiting for this one to rise. Then we can take it later. Pound, the pund, is coming down hard and fast, coming down to the same price as earlier today that you wanted to buy. So you're kind of break even now. Should you be worried? No, not really. But I think we have a bit more lower and then higher. So Aussie dollar, great, fantastic. Just need a higher high now. Euro dollar, just need a higher high. Great, fantastic. Way. Pound dollar, just need a lower and then higher. Pound yen. Yeah, okay, great, fantastic. Great. Needs a little bit lower. New Zealand dollar is somewhere in between, making a high. Great, fantastic. Let's go higher again. Way. We're on track. Use the CAD. Let's go lower. We haven't done that yet. Aussie dollar. Aussie yen, sorry. Did what it was supposed to do. Came down to the buy price. Going higher. Oh. My wife says it's food time. What do we do then? What's the verdict, people? What should we do? What should we tell wife? She says it's food, and I'm hungry. She should bring it. Thank you, Abbas. Thank you. Euro. Looks like we got a price we asked for yesterday, so you should be in profit here, people. Because I haven't changed this one since whatever day I did it from. But yeah. G4 NSO says go eat with her. So you guys don't want to be with me anymore? Okay. Just having fun. Sorry, I won't take that. I will be quicker. Okay. 128.80. It's your price. You got it. Great. Congratulations. Boom. Pound yen. Still the same. New Zealand yen. Almost didn't get your price though, but it got the area. So I would still say that is valid. And you should be in this one. That should be valid for you. So, what is then trade you should have open? Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, pound dollar, with a star, maybe. New Zealand dollar, USD CAD, no. Aussie yen, maybe. Potential, maybe. New Zealand yen, yes. And Euro yen. This is how your trading account should be, and all of them should be buys. No sells, only buys on this one. So you're wondering, how is my trading strategy going? How is my teaching? How is my success going with you guys and me analyzing the market? You should be profitable today. Today you should have been profitable. Today you should be in profit. And if you're not in profit, we need to change. You need to change. You need to come to me. I will help you out as much as I can. And in yesterday's live, I gave out discount for my mentorship. Okay. If you go to my YouTube channel, no, if you go to avenfx.com, and you use M100 as a code, you will get 100 per month, which is 50% off. So yeah. So I don't know if I could post that link. I don't know if YouTube likes me posting that link, but yeah. If you go to avenfx and use M code, okay, great. avenfx.com. Just if you need to. I'm not pushing you to do anything. Use M100. Okay. Okay. Then we can take that one here. It's totally up to you, but I'm just giving it out. It's only 4 codes left, actually. So yeah, don't run fast. Don't be lazy. It might go away soon. So the other thing that I want to tell you is that there's also 6 months and also a lifetime plan if you want to do that. And yeah, I'm going to tomorrow speaking to a lot of my students. That's what we do on a daily basis. And if you need help, if you're scared, if you are worried why you're losing so much money all the time, you probably need to take it so I can help you out. I was on New Zealand Swissy and it never moves. I hate New Zealand Swissy. But yeah, okay. I gave you guys, come on, look at that analysis. Come on. Really? I haven't looked at it since yesterday and I gave you that price, bro. This is like a YouTube moment. I gave you that price yesterday. And it came down to the price, to the pip. Wow. Fantastic. Yeah, you should think right. So everyone, please give this channel a like and please just give this channel a subscription. You know, I lost 2 subscribers today. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that for being such a bad trader, that I've given you profits. I'm sorry for giving you profits, but you know, it's profits that you want. I'm sorry. I'm just doing my job. So until next time. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. And let's go to war.